Welcome. My name is Nahom and I will be leading this demonstration on behalf of my team, which involves Caleb Mulugeta and Gustavo Belaunde. So we were able to develop an application that is called ReallyConnect that will help up-and-coming professionals connect with willing seasoned professionals in an authentic way and in a way that not only does the up-and-coming professional have responsibilities of informing the mentor what their goals are, but also um, the framework is to really help build long-lasting professional relationships that will not only help those involved, but will be potentially helpful for when the up-and-coming professional becomes a seasoned professional and um, gives gives it forward, as the saying goes. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you what the application looks like. We have both a front end and back end. We used React for our front end and Python for our back end and Supabase for our database. So right now, as you're looking right now, this web application is responsive for both computers and also for phones. I go ahead and inspect Element real quick, just so you're able to see what the application looks like. So we can go ahead and sign up, for example, just to kind of show you what the application looks like. You could choose your role, whether or not you're going to be a mentor or a mentee. So if you're going to be a mentor, so there's going to be a series of questions that we would be asking you in terms of like what makes you qualified and so on and so forth, while also when we're moving from choosing a role towards the onboarding process, we'll be using LinkedIn's verified API that is freely available on the LinkedIn API documentation that will make sure that will not only make sure that we have access to your information through LinkedIn, but we'll also utilize the verification process of LinkedIn to make sure that we don't have any unnecessary profiles being created that mislead a lot of professionals. So we can go ahead and answer some of these questions. What's your area of expertise? Just going to go ahead and let's say software engineering. And what areas do you provide guidance in? Back end technologies and system architecture. Okay, any hobbies? And this is the component of the application that's really helpful is that we forget a lot of times that we are humans connecting as opposed to numbers on a screen or like data points. And I think that we believe as a team that it is very helpful that hobbies and interests are involved in the process of connecting with professionals so that people have a deeper, more respectful and awe-striking relationship and connection with professionals. So I'll just put it as an example, playing guitar. And our methodology with our application, as soon as we complete the onboarding, is that um, all the information of the professional, whether it's the mentor or the mentee, is going to be outlined almost similar to like a dating site. And so we are either going to click yes in terms of if we want to connect with this professional or no. And then as soon as we do connect, we have a variety of things to talk about, not only our professional goals, but also just any extra professional interest that we may have. And then if we want to edit our uh, profile information as well in terms of hobbies or whatsoever, we can all go ahead and do that right here. And then save our changes right here just to kind of help elucidate that. And then the same process here. As soon as we have matches, we're going to have some messages here where we can actually communicate with both mentees and mentors. And if we desire to sign out and then sign back in using LinkedIn's proprietary auto sign-in tool, an idea that we got from CodePath, because CodePath utilizes an auto sign-in tool through GitHub. So you just completely do that, and then automatically you're signed back in. So we just wanted to thank ColorStack for organizing this hackathon, and this is our application. If you have any questions, please be sure to let us know.